With just a few humble eggs resting in your refrigerator today, Cooking Tips 5S will unveil 4 magnificent techniques to elevate this simple ingredient into breathtaking creations spanning from savory to sweet. These are astonishingly swift and visually exquisite. Rest assured, even the most novice hands can master these. Let us step into the kitchen together. Dish 1. The classic seaweed rolled omelette. Our culinary journey begins with the universally beloved seaweed rolled omelette. Delicately crack 2 farm-fresh eggs into a bowl, awakening their flavour with a whisper of fine sea salt and a dusting of freshly cracked black pepper. With a whisk, blend them with rhythmic grace until the mixture transforms into a luminous, fluid gold. Warming a square skillet over the heat, gloss the surface with a fine veil of oil. Pour a delicate, paper-thin layer of the golden egg mixture across the pan. As the surface just begins to set into a tender veil, a pristine sheet of seaweed gracefully lies atop it. Using your spatula and chopsticks, expertly roll the egg into a seamless cylinder. Gently push this golden roll to the edge, cascading the remaining egg mixture to seamlessly extend and envelop the roll until the batter is exhausted. Sliced and plated alongside a few vibrant sun-ripened cherry tomatoes, you have conjured a profoundly nourishing and elegant breakfast. With this exquisite rolled omelette, do your culinary loyalties lie with a vibrant dip of ketchup? Or do you prefer the rich, velvety cascade of mayonnaise? Share your palate's preference in the comments below, and let us see which team reigns supreme. Dish 2. The two-tone rolled omelette. Sausage and emerald scallion. For our second creation, we shall elevate the artistry to a mesmerizing new level. This time, meticulously crack 2 eggs, separating the radiant golden yolks from the pure silken whites into 2 distinct glass vessels. Season each beautifully with a touch of sea salt and cracked pepper. Into the pristine whites, scatter a handful of finely minced emerald scallions. Into the golden yolks, introduce an array of ultra-fine, jewel-like diced sausage. Whisk each bowl into perfect harmony. Glossing your skillet once more with oil, begin by pouring the scallion-infused egg white, gently rolling it into a delicate core and resting it to the side. For the second layer, cascade the savory sausage-studded yolk, allowing it to cook briefly before rolling it over the white core. Finally, pour the remaining emerald-flecked whites to form the outermost embrace, sealing the masterpiece. a quiet culinary secret alternating these pristine white and golden layers requires no additional time. Yet when sliced, it reveals a breathtaking two-toned mosaic. The visual splendor alone is guaranteed to have the little ones in your home devouring every last bite of their meal. Dishes 3. Steamed floral pudding and the vortex poached egg. Let us transition our palate to something delicately sweet. Crack a single flawless egg into a bowl, infusing it with a gentle pour of creamy milk, a spoonful of fine cornstarch, and a whisper of sweet sugar, whisking until dissolved. A crucial defining technique: you must pass this mixture through a fine mesh sieve to eliminate any imperfections. This ensures the final creation achieves an ethereal, silken smoothness. Prepare a selection of petite flower-shaped silicone moulds, painting their interiors with the faintest whisper of oil to ensure a flawless release. Gently pour the silken egg and milk custard into these blossoms, arranging them gracefully within a steamer. Seal the lid and allow the gentle, enveloping steam to work its magic. And here is a masterful secret to maximising our culinary time as we wait for the puddings to bloom in the steam. We shall immediately craft a breathtaking, liquid-scented poached egg. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Having a freshly cracked egg ready in a small ramekin, with a whisk, rhythmically stir the boiling water in a singular direction to conjure a mesmerising vortex at its very centre. Swiftly, yet delicately, slip the egg directly into the heart of this whirlpool. The water's natural centrifugal force will flawlessly wrap the pure whites around the yolk, cradling it perfectly. Cover the pot and allow it to stand for exactly 4 minutes. Retrieve it to a plate, gently scoring the surface with a blade. Behold! Watch as the impossibly rich velvet gold yolk cascades forth. It is sheer perfection. The very moment you have savoured that molten poached egg, the veil is lifted. Our floral puddings have reached a state of steamed perfection. Open the lid, retrieve each mould, and delicately release them onto a plate. Press gently with a fork, and you will witness each golden, milky blossom tremble, a pillowy, jiggly delight that instantly melts upon the tongue. One effortless endeavour, yielding two magnificent results. It is both wonderfully convenient and utterly exquisite, isn't it?